Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The Board of Trustees of the People's Democratic Party has snubbed Anyanwu, or Samuel Anyanwu, who is claiming to be the National Secretary of the party, and has affirmed Ude-Okoye as the National Secretary of the party. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Has the snubbing of Anyanwu and the affirmation of Ude-Okoye resolved the PDP's crisis, or it is just beginning? That's what we're going to look at in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, the Board of Trustees of the People's Democratic Party, which is the largest opposition party in Nigeria, has confirmed Sunday Ude-Okoye as the party's national secretary. Now, that decision was made public by the Board of Trustees chairman, Senator Endorses in Abuja. Now, Wabara said that Ude-Okoye was affirmed after they looked at all the documents presented by the two parties. That's the document presented by Anyanwu, who is the former national secretary of the party, and the document presented by Ude-Okoye, who has now been confirmed as the authentic national secretary. Of course, I know that Anyanwu will not agree because his matter in the Supreme Court. Now, Ude-Okoye was PDP's national youth leader before he was adopted by the Southeast Caucus of the PDP to replace Samuel Anyanwu as national secretary. You know, I don't know whether you are aware. During the Imo State's governorship election, Samuel Anyanwu resigned as national secretary to go and contest to be the governor of Imo State, and he emerged as the PDP governorship candidate. It was because of this Anyanwu that Meki Hedioha, who would have done better, was schemed out, and then Meki Hedioha just quietly withdrew from the party and withdrew from the race. You know that it was Meki Hedioha that won the election, governorship election in Imo State, that was held in 2019, before the Supreme Court did African magic, and the person that came forth emerges the governor of the state. And since that time, things has fallen apart in Imo State, and center cannot hold. Now, Anyanwu resigned and went to contest for the governorship, and he performed woefully. Now, after he fell, he now want to return back to take his position. But that position had already been given to Ude-Okoye by the caucus of the party, because when you resign to go and contest, you don't come back. Because the question is, supposing he had won the governorship, would he have come back to say he want to be the national secretary again? Of course, you and I know that there's no way he would have come back. It was because he lost in the election, and lost woefully, that he came back. But the caucus say, you can't come back. Your time is over. Ude-Okoye is the man. But this man don't want to hear. He took the matter to court, and he has been losing up to the appeal court. Now he's in the Supreme Court. Now, following the January 31st Court of Appeal ruling, which affirmed Ude-Okoye as the National Secretary of the party, the PDP Governors Forum advised the National Working Committee to implement the Court of Appeal ruling that affirmed Ude-Okoye. In other words, to say that Ude-Okoye should take over the secretariat as the National Secretary of the party. This didn't go down well with Anyanwu and those he's working for. The PDP governor has also in Asaba recently distanced themselves from Anyanwu. They don't recognize him. He is not recognized by the PDP Governors Forum. He is not recognized by the Board of Trustees of the party. Okay. But he is insisting that he is the National Secretary. That was the reason that last week or so there was free for all at the National Secretariat of the PDP between supporters of Anyanwu and Ude-Okoye, which was really an embarrassment to the nation and to the PDP in particular, that their party had deteriorated to that level. Now, given this growing support for Ude-Okoye, does it mean that the PDP's problem is over? Far from it. What you are seeing now is the beginning of the ascendancy of people who are loyal to the Governors Forum, who are loyal to Governor Bala Mohammed of Bauchi. Samuel Anyanwu is believed to be working for Nyesom Wike. He is believed to be among those who are the eyes and the ears of Nyesom Wike at the National Secretariat. So, in their own camp, they feel that they are losing out. But they are also planning their next move. While PDP governors, National Working Committee, the Board of Trustees are trying to see what they can salvage from their sinking party, the Nyesom Wike camp, where Anyanwu is, they're also doing everything possible to undermine PDP. I have predicted that if PDP continue in the present trajectory is going, they may not have a presidential candidate in 2025. Right now, Ude-Okoye, he has been winning the court battle, but the final battle is now the Supreme Court. Anything can happen. What happens if the Supreme Court say that Anyanwu is the authentic? What will happen? That possibility cannot be ruled out. So that's why it is too early for those who want to see the last of Nyesom Wike's influence in the party to celebrate. Because Nyesom Wike is here to play his last card, which is at the Supreme Court. And talking about salvaging the PDP so that it can be able to have a presidential candidate in 2027. If you listen to Ndukọ Baibena, the publisher of this day newspaper, when he was reading the citation to give Nyesom Wike, the Minister of the FCT, the Minister of the Year, one of the things he said, in terms of after praising Nyesom Wike as for what he has done in terms of infrastructure in Abuja, Ndukọ said that he is also a hard-working minister who is ensuring that his boss does not have opposition. who is working hard to ensure that his boss does not have opposition. In other words, Nduka Obabune was acknowledging that Nyesom Wike is working to ensure that Tinubu does not have opposition. What does that mean? It means that Nyesom Wike is working to weaken the biggest opposition party in Nigeria, to weaken it so that they cannot be able to give a formidable challenge to Bola Ahmed Tinubu for second term. And already, Nyesom Wike is not hiding it. At every opportunity, he keep on saying that he wish that the election is today so that they will work for Tinubu to win. Now, if that is the mindset of a chieftain of the PDP, why should PDP continue to have him in its membership? What is the thing that is stopping the PDP from expelling Nyesom Wike from their party for anti-party activities? Going by his record, what he did after he lost the primaries, how he created G5 governors to destabilize and disorient the party ahead of the presidential election, and openly worked against the party's candidate. I don't think there is any evidence of anti-party bigger than what he did, and so openly. Normally when you hear about anti-party, sometimes you never see what the person had done, but some observers within the party would have seen it. But Nyesom Wike was loud about his anti-party activity before the election, and he's even louder after the election about his anti-party activity, that Tinubu is the best thing to happen to Nigeria since sliced bread. So if a person in your party is talking like that, it means he has cancelled the chances of a PDP producing a candidate that can win an election. And yet you are allowing him to remain in your party. I think there's something fundamentally wrong with the PDP. If they cannot discipline Nyesom Wike for anti-party activities, despite his open rebellious display of animosity towards his own party before the election and after the election. So I don't see any end in sight yet to the PDP crisis, despite the fact that the BoT has affirmed Ude-Okoye. Nyesom Wike will play his last card in the Supreme Court, but even that is not the end of the matter, unless he's expelled from the party, so that he doesn't have to come near the secretariat at all. Because right now, as a member of the party, when the NEC is meeting, Nyesom Wike will come for the meeting. What are you discussing in the meeting with Nyesom Wike when you know that Nyesom Wike wants PDP to lose in 2027? He wants Tinubu to win. What are you discussing in the meeting with him for? Of what value is he contributing to the party? If not, I don't know how they used to put it in the local balance. Somebody who is telling you openly that he don't want your party to win the 2027 election. You are inviting him in a meeting of the party as you prepare against 2027 and allowing him to come and listen. In local balance, you can say that not be juju be that. I don't know what you think about this, but whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.